Hi, I'm Moises Felipe, Director of the Worship Arts Program at Grand Canyon University. At GCU, our Worship Arts Program is built to equip students for a life of ministry. Whether you're called to be a worship leader, a music director, or serve behind the scenes in production, our goal is to shape well-rounded lovers of Jesus with strong theological foundations and hands-on experience. Students in the program are deeply connected, not just in the classroom, but in real ministry. From working with local churches to taking part in campus ministries like chapel worship teams, tech crews, and life group leadership, there are countless ways to grow in both skill and service. One of our program's greatest strengths is community. Worship Arts students collaborate often, writing songs, recording music, studying together, and leading worship events. It's in these shared experiences that lifelong friendships are formed and spiritual gifts are discovered. I'm passionate about raising up the next generation of worshipers who are spiritually grounded, creatively inspired, and practically prepared for the future God has for them. To learn more, visit gcu.edu. We'd love to walk this journey with you.